Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am attempting the Okra challenge, which is the viral Indian hair treatment that has been going around. This treatment is supposed to help straighten your hair. I have attempted the rice and it didn't straighten my hair, so I'm kind of excited today to attempt this one because I'm hoping that it would straighten my hair. So you need okra, a blender, you need corn flour, and a mixing bowl, of course, and let's not forget our cheesecloth for straining. So I started by dicing my okra into little pieces. I took out the head, and after which I am going to boil the okra in medium heat with 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes. You want to boil the okra until it is slimy, not too slimy, but just slimy. You want to set your timer for 10 minutes because for this challenge to work, you have to really follow the instructions. I went ahead and poured everything into the blender. I blended it until it was smooth as a baby food. In a different bowl, I added 1 tablespoon of corn flour and a 1/4 cup of water. I mixed it together. Just make sure you use corn flour, not cornstarch. Also, make sure what you're using is white and not yellow. In a different bowl, I am going to then strain my okra with my cheesecloth. While straining, you need to be patient because okra is very slimy, and that means that this whole straining process is going to be much more slower. Just letting you guys know that this entire thing is very messy, so just be aware of that. Make sure you stay in a place that you can easily clean up. After straining, I am going to go ahead and add my sweet almond oil. This is what they added in the challenge, so I added 1 tablespoon of almond oil, mixed it all together, poured the corn flour mixture into the okra, and then added my 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Then everything was ready to be applied to the hair. Let's just go over some of the benefits of okra. I know most people eat okra and don't apply it to the hair, but let's just go through some of the benefits. Okra contains vitamin A, C, K. It contains calcium, potassium. Of course, it's perfect for hair growth. Okra is known as a natural conditioner, hence detangles the hair. It's known to hydrate hair, keep hair shiny, and make it smooth. It moisturizes dry scalp and gets rid of dandruff. So I decided to experiment. So this particular hair was not combed, so I decided to just apply the okra to see if it's going to detangle the hair. And for sure, it detangled this hair. I was able to use my finger and comb the hair well, put my finger through the hair while applying the okra, because I noticed that the okra was naturally, it just made the hair softer, and it enhanced the curls. I was so amazed, like the curls on this hair was so defined, and I was like, what, this is a great curl enhancer. So if you wanted to do a wash and go and you have curly hair or have kinky hair, just look at these curls on this hair. This is perfect for you. But let's wait to see if this will straighten the hair, which was the purpose of this whole challenge. After applying this, you're supposed to leave it for 2 hours. Wear your shower cap. If you don't want to use a shower cap, you could go ahead and use a plastic bag and let it sit for 2 hours. While washing it, I noticed that the hair was softer, and this is what it looks like after it's dry. You can definitely see the shine, and the hair was softer as well. I don't know about straightening, but it's a little straight right? I don't know, but it wasn't like bone straight. That's the end of this challenge. If you decide to partake in this challenge, let me know how yours turns out. Try leaving it for 3 hours. Let's see if it's really going to make it a bone straight. Again, thank you one more time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.